Hi, remote work environment. Yes, we're all working from our homes or working from remote locations. And as leaders, are you wondering how to keep the bonding up and thriving and how to enhance the camaraderie amongst the team members? Yes, does this resonate? Then today I'm going to be talking about some of the things that you could do to enhance the overall experience and the connect with the team members and amongst the team members. So before I begin, what is very important is to accept the new normal, to accept that the way we're functioning right now is the way it is there. So rather than cribbing and rather than making statements like, once we are done with COVID, post COVID, this is what we're going to do, or right now, because we are in this space where we cannot see each other, and this just brings in the whole feeling of lack. And as a leader, if that's what you are living, then consider that's what you will pass on to the team members. So accept it. How about accepting it and then figuring out what can you bring to the table now? How can you up the game now? This is it. Okay, so keeping that in mind, the very first thing, make the meetings very interesting. Yes, you've got to do that. Smile, laugh, bring in that excitement, energy, enthusiasm. You've got to do that. Because remember, whatever is your energy level, that's what's flowing to the team members exactly. If you're smiling, if you're laughing, if you're cracking jokes, they are going to be in that spirit. So, very important. Number 2, make the meetings fun. It just doesn't have to be all hard work and no fun. So you could have some small games, some small teasers here and there, which just builds up the whole spirit, right? Number 3, we all love to be acknowledged. And being present in the meeting, being present in the whole game, working day in and day out, contributing isn't easy, right? So acknowledging the presence of every member, not just in that meeting, but in the team and for the contribution. That is going to uplift the spirit and change the whole vibe. Consider and try doing that in your meeting. Like every person, okay, Mr. So-and-so, Mr. So-and-so, or Satish, Jay, Ashish, whoever, whatever the names are. Go ahead, acknowledge them individually, taking their names, right? Number 4, yes, this is especially for the camaraderie amongst the team members. So you could have small tasks or your whole assignment broken into tasks where you assign teams to those tasks, and you could go on changing those teams. So that may not be your natural way of functioning, but you could consider doing that, because then they have no choice. They want it or they don't want it, they come together and they work together. You could associate some rewards with that as well, right? So that's another way of bringing in that camaraderie. Also, because these are not these are times where people may be struggling, so an excellent structure, which is a buddy structure. So you could assign buddies, to every team member. So two team members, they are buddies to each other, and then you could just tell them to maybe be in communication, be in touch with each other every week, and you could have some small activities around that. What is that one thing that you have discovered about your buddy that nobody else knows? Things like that, so that they're doing it also, and that just builds the connect. You can do that. And I think one very, very important thing is, as a leader, being abreast with every team member's state of being, and you could go a step forward by connecting with every team member on a one-to-one basis. That will just help them share their pains, their challenges, and then you being able to coach them. So bringing in the whole coaching style of leadership into play. it's going to be so powerful, and that's going to build your connect with your team members. For them, the whole feeling around, he is there for me, there is somebody who's there to hold my hand, will bring in immense fulfillment. I cannot tell you, I cannot emphasize enough the importance of being there and connecting one-on-one with your team members. So try doing that. And another very, very amazing thing, because we've done it so I can share with you, is having those informal socials. Maybe you could have those weekend evenings assigned where all the families of the team members also join in the online meeting, and you could have maybe a musical evening, or you could have some small competitions. You could have only a kids competition. When kids are participating, the energy levels are next level. So doing that, that's an excellent way of bonding and connecting. Okay, so that's something you can do. So these are some of the ways where you can really build that connect, even in these times when you're not meeting every day face to face. Because understand, what people right now want is that extra dose of acknowledgement, love, empathy, that feeling of being wanted, importance, being worthy. If that's what you're able to provide for, I think that's what they need. So go ahead, practice these, put them into practice, and do share. Take care, happy bonding, bye-bye.